So, school's out, the sun's out, and I am ready to get out and play. I promised Cree and my daughter Cairo we could pack a picnic basket and hit the road because it is the perfect day for a picnic. But I won't have to do all of the work. Hi, Boo-Boos! Hi! How are you? Are you ready to get in your tower? Let's go! Cree, Cairo!
Yes?
Welcome! We are gonna be making sandwiches that are easy and sweet treats to satisfy our sweet tooth. And I know both of you guys are gonna like the dessert, right?
I like chocolate.
See, I told you, you guys, chocolate and cheese is Cairo's favorite, right?
Mine too.
Yours too? We cannot wait to get started, but before we do, you have to...
Like, subscribe, share this video with your friends.
Cairo, can you point to the button where they have to hit?
Subscribe.
Subscribe! Yay! High five! Boom! If you want to be a super quick fix fam member, why not also hit the bell for notifications of upcoming episodes? It'll pop up to the right after you hit subscribe. Ding, 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 ding. We're gonna make our pinwheels, okay? Do you know what a pinwheel is, Cairo?
Yeah.
What is it?
Well, we know.
Oh, we're rolling up. Okay, absolutely right. That is why we call this a pinwheel. But you know what else? I have a little surprise for you. Cree, you want one too?
Yeah.
This is a pinwheel.
Oh,
Do you know what you do with a
this
pinwheel?
is a pinwheel. You go like this, right?
No, you go like this. Let's get started on our pinwheel. Okay, first, so what we're gonna do is we are gonna add some whipped cream cheese, okay? Oh Lord, should we take these away from the kids? So we're just gonna add, look at that, Cairo, whee! Add some mustard on there. Okay, Cairo, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our ham. Can you help mommy?
Ham.
Okay, here. Okay, so grab one.
I like me some ham.
There you go. And put it right in the middle.
Cairo.
We have next, we're gonna put your favorite on top. Good job, Cree, look at you go. Okay, Cairo, we're gonna put some what on top of this? Cheese. Okay, go ahead, sprinkle some right there. Excellent. And you're gonna put like a nice smiley face, okay? There you go.
Yeah.
Cairo, do you want some of this cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah? Boom! Okay, now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna add 3 of these slices onto there. We're just gonna go ahead and then roll this up into a pinwheel, right? I'm just putting a little bit of this cream cheese on top
Sorry, Mommy.
of here because that's gonna be kind of your, that's okay, baby. That's gonna act like kind of like an adhesive to close up this wheel. Now Mom is going to cut this, okay?
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay. Not like
Cairo,
that.
what are you doing over there? Now we're cooking, right? Cairo, are you enjoying that cheese?
You gonna turn it to cheese.
We're gonna make our pinwheels here. I love when you do pinwheels, how you can actually see what's in it when you cut them up.
You're talking about this pinwheel?
No, I'm actually talking about these pinwheels.
Oh.
What, do you like it?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, our pinwheels are down and ready for our picnic. Now we're gonna move on to Mommy's classic Caesar wrap. So
What do we
are
do
gonna
first?
add the lemon juice, sugar, salt.
Oh, okay.
You wanna do it? Okay. Then we're gonna put pepper. Go ahead, put the pepper in. Oh, bravo, Cairo. And then Cree, can you put the Dijon mustard in? And then now we're just gonna whisk all of this or mix all of this together. You see? This is our dressing for
The salad.
the salad. But guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna add that later. But next what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some avocado. I'm gonna go throw this away. You dump that in there and then you mash it, okay? So mash it either with the spoon or the fork, okay?
I'm doing it with
So
the fork.
I'm leaving him here while I go throw this away, you guys. So tell me how he does, okay?
Ah! So we go like this.
You go
Right.
like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
How you doing? How's he doing, Cairo? He's doing good? Good job, Cree. Look at you go. Do you want to just slowly pour in the olive oil for Mommy?
Okay.
Okay? Slowly. Cairo, look. Look what Cree's doing. Cairo, do you want to help mommy?
No. I eat it.
She said, no, I'm eating. Do you want to taste it? And you tell me if it needs anything else, okay?
Okay.
Okay, ready? Go ahead, try. Is it good?
That's good, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't add nothing to it.
Now we're just gonna start just adding all of our ingredients for our Caesar wrap, okay? So, yep, just go ahead and add it all in there,
Jeez, Cairo.
just like that. Now, Cree, we're gonna add some rice to this, and then we're gonna add our leftover chicken tenders. There we go. We're gonna add our rice,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna add some Parmesan cheese. Like, look at this. We are just building and building. Cairo, do you wanna help mommy? Yeah, there you go. Good job. Oh, this is what makes it nice and fun. Right, Cairo?
Yeah.
Cairo and Cree, so we are having our picnic, right?
Yes.
Where do you want to go? Do you want to go to the park? Do you want to go to the beach? Do you want to hang out just in our backyard?
You want to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to go to the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we have all of our ingredients for our classic Caesar wrap in this bowl, and now we're just gonna mix. We have a tortilla.
Dang,
Okay.
dang, yeah.
And then we're just gonna go ahead and put this Caesar salad right in the middle here. Wow. So now, Cree, we're gonna make this into a burrito, okay? So we're gonna go boom, then we're gonna go boom, and then we're gonna go boom, just like that, okay? And then we're just gonna roll, roll, roll.
That's a mini
Cree.
burrito right there.
Yes. And then we're gonna wrap it up.
Mommy.
Yeah. Let's all do it. Let's do our fishies.
Get to the food. I'm hungry.
All right. Okay. Now on to dessert. Cree, do you mind
Best thing.
putting that right there? The best thing. And you know what? Let's put the rest of this into the refrigerator. Do you want
Yes.
to put that in the refrigerator, Mama?
So the flies.
Okay.
Put it in Facebook.
You wanted to put it in the refrigerator? Okay, Cairo's gonna help. You guys, we are now moving on to our dessert, and it's called Death by Chocolate Parfait. So guess what's in it?
Chocolate, duh.
Ready to make some pudding? Some chocolate pudding?
Chocolate.
Yes, chocolate. Okay, Cree, do you wanna help mommy?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're just gonna start just dumping all of these ingredients into our saucepan. Let's add some sugar.
Okay.
We've turned this on. The pot
right.
is nice and hot, so let's add our sugar. Add all of it in there, buddy. There we go. We're gonna add some cornstarch.
How to
Oh,
cook.
crap. Sorry.
I think you need
We're
some.
gonna add the bowl and cornstarch. Okay, then we're gonna add our cocoa powder, right? Cocoa powder.
Then you
And
need salt.
Salt, there you go. And then do you wanna whisk that for mommy?
Yes.
So you can use this whisk and don't go ahead and whisk it, but be careful because remember it's hot. Okay, so with this parfait, we have brownies, but you know what? You don't have to just use brownies. You could use store-bought cookies. Cree, I'm telling you guys, I have to move fast with these kids because they will eat all of the ingredients before we even make the dish.
That's
okay.
only her.
It's you too. We've just seen you tear up these brownies.
My turn.
Your turn. Okay, guess what? We are gonna add this
Mommy, I
milk.
didn't do it.
You
I did
okay? Okay, listen. Hold it. Hold this like this with your hand. Okay? And then we're gonna slowly pour it into this pot, okay? Because what we're doing is we are making pudding, you guys. Pudding, there we go. And then we're gonna add some more Cree. I can see you out of the side of my eye. That's the thing. Mama, we see everything, okay? Okay, look, Kyra, look. Look how it's turned into chocolate.
Put it in chocolate.
Yes, and we're gonna pour some more in there. We're just gonna go ahead and stir this until it gets nice and thick. Now this is gonna take a few minutes, so we're just gonna have some patience here.
Look, it's a bird.
Where? Outside? I'm so naive. Did you see that? All of my friends, they tell me that if you look in the dictionary under the word naive, my picture will be there. So you guys, you see how the consistency is nice and thick? So I've just turned the heat down, and now, Cree, can you hand Mommy that bowl? And we're gonna go ahead and pour this into the bowl.
Take the plastic out?
Yes, take the plastic out, and then we're gonna put this into the refrigerator. Okay, Cairo, look. Look at what we're gonna do. We are gonna, look. Whoa, wow, look at that. Okay, Cairo, look. Now we get to do your favorite. You wanna add the chocolate in there? Add all of it. You gotta dump it all. Dump it all in there. Like this. Whoa! And watch, because this is really nice and hot.
I didn't do it.
You wanna do it? Okay, go ahead. You gotta stir it. Just like that, okay? There you go. Good job, boo-boo. You see, what is happening to the chocolate chips? What's happening to it?
They're all gone.
Yes, and they're what?
They're hot.
They're hot and they're what?
Melting.
Melting! Good job, boo-boo! It's good. Yep, go ahead. Try. Try. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top, just like that. Okay. There we go. There we go.
Is it hot?
Isn't that cool? You wanna touch it? Look, isn't that funny? It's like jiggle, 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 jiggle.
I'm on it.
Yes,
Jiggle, jiggle.
jiggle.
It
folds.
You want to see me wiggle, wiggle.
Oh, show. Look at that, isn't that cool? And we're just gonna put this in the refrigerator for 2 hours, okay?
2 hours.
But, yes, but it's very, very hot.
Help you, Mom.
Oh, okay, you wanna open up the refrigerator?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ready? Okay, let's go. Mommy already pre-made some, because of course, nobody has 2 hours right now. But this is what it looks like, Cairo. Do you see? Well, and Cree, once it's cooled down, isn't that really cool? So, you guys, now we're gonna start building our parfait. And each one of you can do your own. Look, Cairo, you have yours. You have yours. You have yours. And then Mommy has hers. Okay, Cairo, look, we're gonna do a little crumble. Look,
You have to crumble.
we're gonna crumble our brownie just like that. Good job, boo-boo. Go ahead, Cree, you have to do yours.
Yeah.
So here we have our first layer. And again, we are making parfaits to
Look, I
go.
did it.
Oh, you did, fantastic. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some pudding, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and just add like a layer of pudding, just like that. You wanna try to not hit the sides, but you know, whatever's clever. It doesn't have to be perfect. And next what we're gonna do is we're gonna have some whipped cream. Let's add some whipped cream. Wow, look at that. Boom. And now we're gonna start all over again. Do you wanna start crunching up your brownie again?
No.
You got it, Cree?
Yep.
Okay, so we're just putting layers on layers, right? Okay, Cairo, then we're gonna go ahead. We got one more and I think you're done. And then you could screw the top on, right?
I am done.
You're all done. Yours looks fantastic. Alrighty then. Okay, look at you. You decided to do that on your own, Cairo. Okay, look at how pretty this is. Cairo, look.
It's not about how it looks, it's about how it tastes.
That too. I mean, that is the most important part. Our parfaits are ready to go. We got this. So let's finish packing our picnic basket, right? So, Cree brought over our picnic basket. So now we have to start packing everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our pinwheels in, right? And then we're gonna put Mommy's classic Caesar wrap. And then, you know what, you guys? I mean, I know we wanna pack, that is yours. And you know what? I think we can eat that now.
Right.
We're like the Three Stooges, ready? Okay, let's kick it off and let's dive in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wait, you have to
7,
wait
8,
for us,
9, 10.
boo-boo. Okay, ready? You ready, Cairo?
Told you mine
We're gonna
will look
dig in.
good.
It does look good. Okay, ready? Let's dig in. Make sure we get everything on our spoon. There you go.
Man,
okay, ready?
mine looks amazing, man. Man, I don't even want to.
Oh! Is it good?
You hear that pop? You hear that?
Cairo, is it yummy?
Yeah.
It's really yummy.
Yeah, give it a go.
Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so good, you guys. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Yummy. Okay. All right, we'll go ahead. Can I pack it?
Yeah.
Okay. So mommy's gonna pack it right over here. Cree, we're gonna pack yours. And we are ready to go. We are packed. We have our pinwheels. We have our classic Caesar wrap. And we have our Death by Chocolate Parfait. And we are ready to go to the what?
The beach.
Yes, these recipes were so quick and easy. I hope you try them out for yourself. Do you have a go-to menu for your perfect picnic? Let us know, and we would love to try out the best ones. And remember to tell your friends to check out Quick Fix and...
Like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share with your friends, folks.
Why are you talking in a country accent? Why are you talking in a country accent?
Because I can.
Alrighty then. Okay, let's say bye. Let's say bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say
See
bye,
ya.
Quick Fixers.
Bye.
Bye, Quick Fixer.
Mwah, 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 mwah. Don't forget to hit that button and like and subscribe, right?
Like I said earlier.